Hello everyone, I am Revan. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome all you teachers to the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform ZIIEI, Zero Investment Innovations for Education Initiatives. Now we are going to discuss about different types of innovation ideas using in lessons. Using different types of innovation ideas in the lessons helps the students to learn the most joyful and in a friendly environment. It connects the students with their day-to-day life, real life atmosphere. Now we are going to discuss about the NCERT board. Classes first and the subject is English and the lesson name is circle. The innovation idea used in this lesson is called a naming method. Naming method is the concept which is connecting the concept which we taught in the class related to the lesson, which are connecting through replacing the actual name with the allocated name. If the student is there with the actual name, there we are going to replace it with the allocated name and adding the value to the name. So by making use of it, the students can remember the key points and the importance points which are related to the lessons. This concept naming method covers the concepts of the describing words, naming words, and also about the consonants and vowels. For doing this activity, we have it's a type of revision based activity. So we are going to complete the lesson first. After completing this lesson, we are going to make the students give them the concept which are taught previously, connecting with their actual name, replacing with the allocated name. For an example, we have two students in our class, Ragul and Sagul. The students are here. Ragul and Sagul is their actual name, but we are going to replace their actual name Ragul and Sagul into a allocated name. The allocated name can be either the object which are related to the lesson. Let's take an example. We can take the things which are available at their home. Ragul is chair and Sagul is a table. So we are replacing their actual name into a allocated name. So actual name is Ragul Sagul and it was replaced into allocated name table and chair. For next 2 days, they would be called as table and chair instead of calling Ragul and Sagul. And we are going to give a name badge to their students. In that seat, they have to, in the slip, they are going to write their actual allocated name. So Ragul going to write chair, Sagul going to write table. So they are going to badge it in their shirt and they are going to be with their badge at their school for next 2 days. So Ragul will be called as chair, Sagul will be called as table. For next 2 days, they would be in their allocated name, and after 2 days, every student would be get familiar with this is table and this is chair. Now we are going to add value to that name. So being it is a chair, it is a blue chair. Being it is a table, it is a red table. So allocated name is added value. So it makes the students to remember the object with their respective key skill. So this is the actual method we are following in this naming method. So coming to this lesson, we are going to relate this lesson, being it is covering the describing words, naming words, and also about consonants and vowels. We are going to cover the concept and we are going to use the things which are connecting the lessons. So we can take the shapes also, either it can be ball or moon or it is a type of a wheel. Whatever things which are coming in this lesson, we are going to make use of it. So we are going to replace the actual name of our class students to the allocated name. It is a ball, he is a moon, he is a wheel. So for next 2 days, they would be in the school with the badge of he is a moon, he is a ball, he is a wheel. So we are going to call the students by ball, moon and wheel. So for next 2 days, they would be with their allocated name, and after 2 days, we are going to add the value for the student. That is, we are adding the value for the student is ball. So ball is round in shape. So moon is a tall moon, so it is high. So likewise, adding the key values and the added values to that respective allocated name makes the student to remember the key values very easily. So it is a moon is very tall, and wheel is a cart wheel. So wheel, it is a wheel from cart. So likewise, adding the value to that allocated name helps the students to remember and making to connect with the lesson very easily is the major concept covered through this innovation idea naming method. So more about these types of innovation ideas using in lessons you can see through our YouTube channel. Kindly like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel ZIIEI, Zero Investment Innovations for Education Initiatives. Thank you.